Still spending hours editing videos from scratch? Please stop. There is a faster, smarter way without sacrificing quality. But before we begin, let me tell you that if you're looking for high-quality templates and tools to streamline your video projects, check out Pixflow.net. We offer thousands of professionally designed assets, from motion graphic templates and video effects to typography packs, transitions, LUTs, and even AI voiceover tools. Whether you're editing in After Effects, Premiere Pro, or DaVinci Resolve, Pixflow gives you everything you need to create stunning videos fast. Let's start with something like creating a professional title. Yes, you can use high-quality collections like the movie title or the animated film end credits for super cinematic results. But if you've ever tried to make one from scratch, you know that it's not just about typing your title. You have to consider font choices, sizing, alignment, spacing, and of course layout. A title isn't just some text you throw on screen. It's a design decision. It sets the tone, it speaks your style, and when it's off, people notice. And yet, you're still slapping on basic text and wasting hours trying to make it feel right? Templates already solve this. Built by pros, ready to drop in, stop overworking, start creating smarter. Because struggling doesn't make your video better, it just makes you slower. So use professional templates to your advantage and don't waste time. Now let's talk about visual effects. If you want to add some drama or make your videos stand out, there's a lot of work involved. Video distortion effects, lens flares, CRT glitches, fisheye lenses, and action effects can completely change the look and feel of a scene. But manually creating these effects from scratch can be really time-consuming. With templates, these powerful effects are ready to go. No need to worry about setting up the effect parameters or figuring out how to make them flow seamlessly with your footage. Simply drag and drop, and you're instantly elevating your video's production value. Transitions are another area where templates shine. Smooth, stylish transitions can make all the difference when connecting scenes in your video. But what matters the most is choosing the right transition, the one that aligns with the tone of your video and other graphical elements you use in the video. With templates, you can instantly apply a variety of transitions like glitch, light leaks, film burn, paper burn, VHS, and CRT transitions, all with a professional look. And when it comes to intros and openers, you want to set the tone from the very beginning. But again, designing a captivating intro can be difficult and time-consuming. Professional templates give you access to high-energy, eye-catching openers that will hook your audience right from the start. These templates are already designed to grab attention, with motion graphics and animation that will make your video stand out without any of the work. Just tweak the text and adjust the colors to match your brand, and you're good to go. But you know better that a quality edit isn't only made by cuts, transitions, and titles. It's equally important to enhance the look of the footage itself, beyond the effects of the motion graphic elements. For example, the color of the footage can indicate the feeling and mood and has to be aligned with the story you're telling in the video. Again, it's a complicated process that can be handled by color grading presets, or LUTs, which instantly set the right tone for your video, whether you want something moody and dramatic or bright and vibrant. The same goes for the overlays you use on top of the footage, like light leaks that add a warm, nostalgic glow to your footage, perfect for giving your video a cinematic, dreamlike quality. Or letterbox effects, which add that classic widescreen look, making your video feel like it belongs in the theater. And the best part is that these effects, like the ones available in Pixflow.net, are designed by professionals who know exactly how to set the right tone, so you don't have to worry about getting it wrong. Whether you're making titles, adding visual effects, or creating seamless transitions and intros, using templates is a game changer. You save hours of editing time, skip complicated steps, and still end up with a high-quality professional video. So, why not let templates do the heavy lifting? Focus on your creative vision while they handle the details. If you want to get started with some high-quality templates, check out the link in the description. Let me know in the comments what you use templates for, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on editing like a pro. Thanks for watching.